In this video, I decided to share with you guys how I was doing my makeup for the day. So let's go ahead and get started if you guys want to see how I created this look. Starting off with a bare face, I already have my eyelids primed, and I'm going to go in with this color right here called Miami from the KKW and Mario collaboration. And I'm going to go ahead and apply that color to my crease with a Morphe Y16 brush. Once I was completely done blending that in, I took this mustard brown color from the Jacklyn Morphe palette, and then I applied that on my crease on top of the Miami shade. And I blended that out with the Real Techniques eyeshadow brush. Once that was all blended, I went in with this ColourPop Super Shock shadow in the color Melrose, and I applied that on my crease again with the Morphe M506 brush. This brush is one of my favorite brushes because it really gets all of the color into the crease really nicely and precisely. Once I was done blending everything together, I went in with a concealer to cut my crease so that I could apply this really beautiful, gorgeous gold color from ColourPop. It is called Cheap Dates, and it is another Super Shock shadow. This particular shadow is really pretty, but it goes on best when you apply it with your finger, and I swear this camera is doing it absolutely no justice. It looks awesome in person. After I applied that in, I went back in with that Morphe M506 and I blended the edges with a little bit more of that Melrose color. I really wanted that gold to be more intense, especially since the gold wasn't really coming up that vibrant in camera. So I went in with the NYX Liquid Crystal Liner and I just applied that on top of the gold all over my lid just to give it a little bit more pop. And that's pretty much it for the eyelids. I went in off camera and I applied my lashes. And here I am using this tweezer that I picked up at Michael's a long time ago to blend in the false lashes with my real lashes. I never noticed how big I open up my eyeballs when I'm putting on my false lashes, but here is what the eye look pretty much looks like. I went in off camera and I applied my face makeup, and then I went in with a little bit more of that Melrose and I applied it underneath my eyes. This video was pretty fast and to the point, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is the finished look. This is what my eye makeup looked like for the day. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will have everything I used linked down below in the description box. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and I will see you guys in the next one.